In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people to a project in Basecamp. Let's get started. First, open your Basecamp project from the dashboard. Make sure you select the correct project, especially if you manage multiple ones, so you don't add people to the wrong place. Once you're inside the project, look for the People section or a Share button. This is usually located at the top of the project page. Click it to open the Member Management area. Next, click Add People or Invite Members. This will open a window where you can choose who to add. Now you can either search for existing users in your organization or enter their email addresses manually. If you're typing emails, double-check for accuracy to avoid mistakes. You can also add multiple people at once by separating emails. After selecting or entering the people you want, click Add to Project or Send Invitations. Once confirmed, the new members will appear in the project list and will receive an invitation to join. If they don't show up immediately, just refresh the page. And that's it. You've successfully added people to a Basecamp project. This helps your team collaborate smoothly and keeps everyone aligned in one workspace.